All right. So what happened for the past few days in Bangkok was that I managed to get a rental Yamaha XMax 155. So I'm just gonna show you. This is like the second day I'm riding it, so I'm just getting used to Bangkok traffic. I'm getting used to how the drivers react. Learn the nature of riding and driving in Bangkok itself. Very very different game from Singapore. Later on, you'll see that there's potholes, that sometimes traffic light laws are just kind of like not really bothered by it. However, not all is bad, despite the infamous uh, heavy traffic, but that's pretty much squared down to like heavy areas like Sukhumvit. Um, yeah. So this I'm actually going somewhere a little bit off to. I kind of forgot what was the name of it, but I'm going to go to somewhere in the eastern north area, if that makes sense, to have lunch with my friend Adnan, who just flew in. So we're gonna have some Japanese food, halal, and then I believe this is the part where I get horned. Alright, so boy has been horned, and
Just got my first phone in Bangkok.
just gonna park. So it's actually at 261 Soy Patanakan 38. The place of the name is Aya. Sadly, I didn't take any videos of the food whatsoever, but it's mainly a kind of like a Muslim-ish neighborhood. I do see a lot of like halal places and all that on this side. Um, so it's not publicized in tourism and all that. It's pretty much local, but that is awesome as well. Um, do your research, have fun, and I hope to ride safe for the rest of the month. So thank you very much. We'll see you.